This is something cool I make and eat all the time. It's a big pot of vegetable pea soup. I put all the ingredients in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes, and when it's done I take the immersion blender, the stick blender, make it into a creamy pea soup. It's got carrots, celery, onions, collard greens, cabbage, tomato, turmeric, pepper, and a little bit of bouillon powder. And I'm leaving something out, I'm sure. But basically it makes a nice cream soup, and it's full of vegetables and protein from the peas and a lot of fiber. Have it every single day. I'll store this in 4 quart containers that held yogurt. I'll put 2 of these in the freezer and 2 of them in the refrigerator, and I'll have pea soup with vegetables every single day. It's delicious. It helps with the blood pressure and a lot of other things. And it tastes good. Oh, I forgot to mention the red pepper. There we go, 1 gallon of vegetable pea soup. And it only takes 20 minutes in the pressure cooker and about 5 minutes to chop up.